Welcome to Get the Job Done. It is March 15th, 2020. I welcome you on this coronavirus Sunday. In this video, I will be going over insulating thermal expansion valves with foam insulation, ArmorFlex. And at the end of the video, I'll also show you how to make a custom, budget-friendly coronavirus mask with replaceable paper towel filters. Primary reason why I made this video is because there isn't anything that I saw online when it comes to insulating thermal expansion valves. I come across my fair share of valves that are outside of coolers or outside of cold wells or the refrigeration system altogether, and you don't want them freezing up, which will at times, depending on the brand, cause the power heads to rust out, or condensating so much and the condensation drips all over the product below it, or maybe it's in between counters and that condensation will drip on the floor and cause mold. So I'm going to show you the way that I insulate these valves. There may be better ways out there, but to me this is the easiest and it works pretty good. It's a reaching coil evaporator. Someone, looks like they changed out the cap tube. And you know what they did? One of my things I hate the most, absolutely hate. Put foam tape on it. It's either foam tape or cork tape. Can't stand either of them. So now, when I go to unsweat this, I'm going to have
crap,
sticky
crap
all over this because I got to replace this evaporator coil. Whoever did this kills me. Do not do this. Here, one of my pet peeves, cork tape. Don't foam tape or cork tape these parts where you're going to be brazing one day. Can't stand it. Cannot stand it. Alright, my tutorial on how to wrap a thermal expansion valve my way. Somebody wrapped this valve in foam tape, and these valves have numbers stamped in the side of them to tell you what size they are and what refrigerant it is, so if you ever needed to, you can go back and replace it. So when you wrap it with foam tape or cork tape, it's a huge pain in the ass
to get this crap off.
Yes, I am irritated right now because I gotta take this and work on this valve and get some information off of it. But when I'm done, I'm gonna take tie straps, I think this is 7/8 ArmorFlex, and foam tape to go around the ArmorFlex. Foam tape should never touch copper or parts because it sticks to it, and you gotta fight to get it off if you need to either access a braze joint, because this was foam taped and I had to use my torch to burn it off and sand it so I can rebraze this leaky fitting. But all I'm going to do is cut down the side here, slide it up the thermal expansion valve till it goes past the power head, and then tie strap it off, and then I'm going to foam tape it. Done. Alright, so I have my ArmorFlex. I got one side cut a little lower than the other side. I'm going to slide it up. Just like that. And I'm going to put a tie strap down here, pinch it off, right there. One around the center, and one around the top of the power head. And then I'll just foam tape this back up. And then if anybody needed to get access to this valve and see what the numbers are, you just cut it right down here, slide this off, and you'll have a nice clean valve for the most part to view your numbers on. Alright, and the TXV is insulated. It's got the armor flex, the tie straps, and the foam tape wrapped around the armor flex, and the crowd goes wild. Good job, we did it, yay, congratulations. Alright, so I hope you learned something from this video. I know a lot of you guys probably already know this stuff, but some of the newer guys don't. And like I said before in the video, cork tape to me and foam tape have their uses, but not directly on valves or sensing bulbs. When you have to sit there and cut that stuff back, it drives me crazy, and it just takes so much extra time. Just wrap the stuff with Armaflex, use zip ties, tie it down. If you want to use a little more protection, use the foam tape or the cork tape. But here is a water bottle. So I just took my knife, I cut a little spot out so my face could fit in it. Cut myself 2 pieces of Armaflex, and you may want to use glue, hot glue or something like that. Maybe even PVC glue. You can just set it on here. Make a nice seal. I tore a long piece of duct tape and then tore another piece and set it on the inside of it, so when it goes around your head, it doesn't stick to it. First trial run was a failure. It hurts peeling this off your head. And then you just get a small piece of paper towel. When people sit there and talk to you and sneeze and cough, this should absorb most of the virus that comes your way. And you just cover the end of the bottle. Take either your daughter's hair tie or your wife's hair tie, a significant other, or maybe you just have really long hair yourself and you like keeping it up. Just grab one of these. You just need to go around it twice. Grab that duct tape. Set it on the side there. Wrap it around your head. Get it nice secure. Now all you gotta do is just wash your hands so you don't contaminate people with your germs. Alright, well, I hope you guys liked the video. And here's my daughter with the thumbs up.
Oh, also, hey, is that my hair tie?
Where's the thumbs up?
Anyways, guys, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. And hey, is that my hair tie? Bye, guys.